Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. This one will be a quick one, very easy to play. It is Davido giving us good vibes here with the song called Away. So we have three chords, D, E, and A without any capo, and one string pattern through the entire song. Let's take a look at this one. So the D, starting with that chord. Okay, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E as the next chord, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right. So we have the strumming pattern here that needs to be divided into two different parts. Gonna split on it sometimes here between the first two chords. So we're gonna look at it, and we're gonna do that with the D to E. That's where the magic happens there when it comes to the strumming pattern and divide it. So we're gonna go with D here first, and we're gonna learn the first part. One full round, I can illustrate it for you first, and then go into the different parts. It goes like this. All right. So the first part is down, up, clap, down. So down and a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. Then you switch chord in this case, and you go to E and play just down, clap. And that is part two. And that's it. So combined, it goes like this. All right. So let's take a look at the chord progression here and how to handle the strumming. You're gonna play D first, like I said here, and the chord progression will be D, E, and A, round and round, okay? So you're gonna play D, one full string round plus part one. So that will be down, up, clap, down, clap. That is one round. And then you play plus part one, down, up, clap, down. Then you go to E and play part two, just down, clap. And then you follow through here with the A, and you're gonna play two full string rounds. So slowly, one chord progression round goes like this. And in tempo, a couple rounds. All right, so that pretty much is what's going on here with Davido's Away. Feel free to support me on Growing Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.